How to embed a Figma prototype in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace dashboard. So make sure you are already logged in. And then I also have opened my Figma account. So here I am in the dashboard as well. And then from here, you just need to select the prototype that you want to use. So for example, I'll just use this one, the Figma Basics prototype right here. From here, we just need to wait for it to finish loading, and then from here, if you want to embed it to your Squarespace website, what you need to do is that you just need to click the share button right here at the top right. From that, you should see the option right here to get the embed code. So just click on that and then copy the embed code right here. And then once the embed code is copied to the clipboard, what we need to do is that we need to go to our Squarespace website. From here, I will open the website editor. So I'll just click website, click edit. From here, we just need to use an embed block. So for example, I'll just add a blank section right here first. Then I can click add block. I can scroll down and see the embed block right here. From that, I can double click, go to code snippet, go to embed data, then paste the code right here. Now we should see the embedded Figma prototype right here. So we just need to wait for it to finish loading. And then there we have the embedded Figma prototype. Another way that you can do this is that you can also use the code block right here. So for example, I'll add it right here below the embed block. Then you can double click on it, then paste the code right here as well. And then as you can see, it will also have the same Figma prototype embedded right here in our Squarespace website. Then you can interact with the embedded Figma prototype. So just click save, then exit. And then here in the website preview, we should now see the embedded Figma prototype. So we'll just wait for it to finish loading. Then we can see the prototype right here. So we can click the plus and minus button to zoom in and zoom out. We can click this to enter full screen, and then enter click the plus and minus button to zoom in or zoom out of the Figma prototype right here. And then that is basically it. That is how we can embed a Figma prototype in Squarespace. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.